Hi, welcome to my travel log. I recently visited Bheemeshwari Jungle Resort. It is located about 110 kilometers from the Mysore. It is east of Mysore, and from Bangalore, it is about 130 kilometers from Bangalore, and it is of south of Bangalore. It is basically a nature trail situated in the middle of the jungle, and on the banks of the river Kaveri. I found that location on from the net and thought I should visit. This can be a very good, bike ride, a day bike ride, and also if you want to stay overnight, you can do so. The traveling distance is about 2.5 hours from both Bangalore and Mysore. What do they provide? It is basically a nature trail, and at the same time, this resort has got some fantastic activities. They carry out a number of adventurous activities and recreational activities, and the food is also quite good. We shall explain all these things when I go further. Now, how to reach? For one day bike ride, it is a fantastic place to be, and the road is quite okay. I will explain the road. The first of all, from Mysore, if you have to go to this place, you have to go via Hale Kesre, from Mysore to Hale Kesre, and from Hale Kesre, you have to go to Bannur, and from Bannur you have to take a deviation to the Malvalli, and once you go to Malvalli, you have to go to Halgur. From Halgur you have to take a right turn, and about 2 kilometers from Halgur you will have to enter the Basvanna forest. It is the Basvanna forest trail is about to 4 to 5 kilometers, about 5 to 10 minutes drive. And secondly, after that you will reach the jungle lodge and resorts. Okay, so as far as the route is concerned, it is about 110 kilometers. It will take 2.5 hours from Mysore to that place. You can any speed you can go. It will take 2.5 hours because the traffic is not very good. The people, because mostly you will be crossing the villages. Hence, the traffic is not very friendly. You have to be very careful while driving. People, most of the people I saw, unfortunately, 90% of the people are two wheelers or four wheelers who are driving were looking at the mobile and driving. So be careful when you go there. That is from Mysore to jungle lodge and resort. Okay, now coming to how which is the route you have to take. Suppose if you have to reach from Bangalore. See, as far as Bangalore is concerned, I will say the route from Bangalore to Ramnagara. Then you come to Ramnagara, then you go to Chenpatna, and from Chenpatna, you will go to a place called Masinagudi Doddi, and then Annapana Doddi, then again come to that Halgur crossing, and from Halgur crossing the route is same, Basvanna forest and jungle lodge and resort. But what I would suggest to you is you can come directly to Mandya from Bangalore, and from Bangalore you can take a deviation because this forest resort is located in Mandya district. Okay, so you come to Mandya, from Mandya you directly hit Halgur and then go to jungle lodge and resort. As far as the route is concerned, I can watch for the route from Bangalore to Mandya. The route is fantastic. Hence, you will not face any problem. You don't have to cross any villages. So I feel that route should be better. Any bikers who would like to come from Bangalore can come via that route. But I would say I went on my bike to this place. It is a fantastic drive, full of nature. Most of the time you will be driving through the forest, and hence the view also is very good. Especially from Halgur to Jungle Lodge and Resort, it is basically you will be going through the forest. About 15 to 20 minutes drive will be through the forest. That is about the routes are concerned. Which is the best time to visit? You can visit throughout the year, but I would rather suggest that you visit from November to Jan Feb, because after March it will be very hot there. And also, if you go a little bit before some September, October, also the water level will be very good, and you will be able to enjoy some good ride in the river, like kayaking and other things. Now, what are the attractions? Basically, the adventure activities include the elephant walk. It is good. And the second activity which you may find is the Burma Bridge. All these activities are conducted within a span of 3 to 4 minutes. Next, there's a parallel walk. And once the parallel walk is over, he will take you to the catwalk. And after the catwalk, you will have zip line. The zip line is about 400 meters. 2-3 times you will get that zip line will be done to you. And then there will be a coracle ride, and then there will be kayaking. For people who stay overnight, they will have morning trek of 5 kilometers, and rappelling will also be there. Also, river rafting will be conducted depending upon the availability of raft and the water level in the river. So these are optional, may or may not be available all the time. Now, coming to accommodation, they usually provide two types of accommodation. One is a tent hut, which is non-AC. It will cost around 4,600, including entire package of adventure activities and other things, food, everything included. And this is log huts, which is made of AC. This is around 5,500, if I am not wrong. Accommodation inside are very good, but both of them looks the same. I have taken the video of the tent hut. The package which I am saying about 5,700 and 4,600 is inclusive of food, adventure activities and everything. And the accommodation, the rates are for per person. These are the rates and the accommodation as far as the jungle hut is concerned. Coming to facilities, they have a recreation room provided with various table tennis, badminton, carom, ludo, everything is available there. And secondly, there will be no mobile connection, but they have given Wi-Fi. Using Wi-Fi, you can make calls to any outside place. So now coming to food and cost. Okay, now food, as far as the person who go for only a day visit is concerned, as soon as he reaches, he will get a welcome drink. The welcome drink is nothing but a nimbu pani. They will give you a simple nimbu pani. And after that, there will be lunch. You can see the lunch is being run. Lunch was very sumptuous. Actually, they had about 5 to 6 salads, various types of salads. And there was when we went, there was a mushroom sabji was there, and they had a gravy, mushroom gravy was there, and aloo gobi was there, and one more vegetable dish was there. And there was vegetarian dum biryani and rice and 3 different types of rasam. And for non-veg, there was chicken and chicken curry and egg curry was also given. So the food was very sumptuous. Along with that, there was banana was there, and papad and other side dishes were also kept if you want to take any of them. So as far as food is concerned, I found it was excellent. Food was very good. And as far as people who come to stay for the night are concerned, so they have to check-in time is 1:30. Once they come at 1:30, they will get their drink, and after that they will get their lunch, the dinner, and the next day morning breakfast they will get. and at the same time they will also have a barbecue in the evening, which is included in your cost which you are going to pay. So per head cost, if you are choosing a hut, is 4,600, and if you are choosing an AC hut, it is 5,600 or 5,700. This is about food and cost. I found the food to be extremely good, and they also give you chapatis if you want, as an optional thing. So this is about food and cost.